Oh, they're big already, honey. They're already big.
What do you mean we're getting more
Oh wow,
chicken?
so nice.
No, I thought we were getting it in the first place.
More than $2.50 a year for the Rhode Island Reds.
I'm gonna pick one up.
The one that we have right now is Rhode Island, and then Maran. The red one is a Rhode Island.
Why are they black?
Yeah, get out of here, you're scaring them. Look on the side there, the name. Yeah, you too, Mom, don't scare them.
Rhode
There you
Island.
go. French wheat Marans.
Huh?
Huh? Did you understand what I said? Yeah. Why did she say, huh?
There is also sapphire here.
My ears.
No, I still heard it.
Is that brown egg? Oh, there is so expensive one. Oh, this is blue, honey. The color of the egg is blue. Yeah, you can do blue too.
Blue and brown?
Huh? Blue and brown.
Well, look,
Yeah.
that's the Marans you keep talking about.
Before it's only $6.
More than $2.50
That's sweet and
per
Maran.
egg. There we go.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, this is the one that we have right now.
No, they're chicken. There's no air to see.
They doesn't have here right away. It takes time when they grow. What's the other one over there? Black.
Look at them all here. There's like a ton.
Oh wow. There are many here. They have a lot of small chicks in here. You can have a colorful egg if you want.
Well, these are much more brown than those are.
This one also is Orpington. Brown also, brown egg. You're sleeping. Calico Princess. So when you see this one, honey, there is an egg just like here. If you will buy here, it is said that medium-sized brown eggs.
What about the one?
Huh? This one is large size. The over here, blacks. So there is also here large size Rhode Island. Sapphire also.
Over here, extra large brown eggs. Black Jersey Giant.
Huh?
Extra large Black Jersey Giant.
How much? Oh,
$6 a chicken.
XL. This
We'll
one.
look at it. Maybe we'll do the Rhode Island Reds. I don't know.
So we're gonna get the big egg, right?
Yeah, we'll either get the one that says large egg.
Yeah, there's also XL, extra large.
Yeah, that's going to be extra large, but here you go.
This one. This chicken, it is called Black Astrolorp, large size. So they have extra here. We'll go to the other place. Oh, this is duck and chicken. Look at that. So this is white leghorn, large, extra large. The other one, they're duck and chicken also. Another chicken, but they are white bread. Assorted chicken, small size light brown egg. Oh, they're so small. Yeah, look at that, they're so small.